Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 classic vehicles available for sale across North America for under $15,000. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these videos are included in the video description below. Alright, here we go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, so we're going to get started, and just as a preface, all of the vehicles that we have today each have a video accompanying them, so you get to get a better view of the vehicle as a walk around, most of them running, if not all. And yeah, so let's get going here. First, we are starting off with the 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix, listed for $10,000 US in Skokie, Illinois. It's been driven 67,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1977 Grand Prix, 455 engine, automatic transmission, new motor mounts, transmission mount, complete tune-up, rear brakes done. And next here, we have a 1961 Ford Ranchero, listed for $15,000 US in American Fork, Utah. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, not an original V8 car, has a 302 with AOD tranny. It also isn't an original Moon Eyes car, just Moon Eyes theme. Tons of new parts, all fresh fluids, 0 miles driven since. Will need tranny linkage adjusted, alignment, and could use new ball joints to be road ready. Need it gone to pay hospital bills, cash only. Next up, we have a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette, listed for $10,000 US in Chicago, Illinois. It's been driven 69,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 1979 Corvette, everything is in running condition. Mechanically runs perfectly, new brakes and rotors, last tune-up and oil change was June 20th. Have new seat leather that I didn't put on yet, $10,000 firm. let's come north of the border here. 1972 Ford Mustang, listed for $9,000 Canadian in Ottawa, Ontario. It's been driven 89,000 kilometers, and from the seller's description, short and sweet. 72 Mustang Grand, $9,000 negotiable, $351. Up next, we have a 1972 Volkswagen Carmen Gia, listed for $12,500 US in Bear Creek Township, Pennsylvania. It's been driven 33,227 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 1972 Volkswagen Carmen Gia, nice driver, fun car with eye-catching color. Okay, here we have a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, listed for $12,500 in Clinton Township, Michigan. It's been driven 157,700 miles and has an automatic transmission. It's also listed in very good condition. From the seller's description, a little longer on this one. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 turns heads on the road. It boasts a sleek custom painted blue exterior and black interior. The body is solid, interior and car all around is clean and in nice shape for its age. And I do drive it, but it does have a few nicks and scratches, which is expected for its age. The vehicle is a mild build 350 with a nice cam and mated to a TH350 automatic trans with shift kit and 410 posi rear end and dual exhaust. Painted over 25 years ago and shows well but not perfect. Old school Krager SS chrome wheels and good tires, headers with dual exhaust and total flow 2-chamber mufflers dumped at rear, power steering and brakes, no trades, clean title in my name. Alright, here's one that you don't see very often. A 1975 Pontiac Aster, listed for $8,500 Canadian in Elizabethtown, Kittley, Ontario. It's been driven 35,000 kilometers, has an automatic transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, same as a Chevy Vega, in excellent condition, no rust, could use a paint job if you don't like the old school looks of flat black. Runs, shifts, stops. 350 Chevy, turbo 400 tranny with 3000 stall converter, Dodge 8 3/4 posi, 489 case, 410 gears in it. Car has 4-wheel disc brakes, real leather seats out of a BMW are like new, only driven to car shows locally. No trades. Alright, this one could be a little rough around the edges, but I think the price reflects that. Here we have a 1974 Plymouth Duster, listed for $6,500 US in Mocksville, North Carolina. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1974 Plymouth Duster, 6-cylinder auto, 4-barrel, headers, dual exhaust, new wheels and tires, clean North Carolina title. It runs and drives, might trade for Chevrolet trucks, no bikes or boats.
Okay.
Alright, going a little bit old school on this one. 1950 Ford Custom Shoebox, listed for $15,000 US in Metter, Georgia. It has a manual transmission and listed in good condition. From the seller's description, flathead V8, 3 on the column manual, original drivetrain, runs and drives 100%, has extras, $45,000 invested. Cash only. Alright, wanted to include a hot rod here. Here we have a 1933 Plymouth Hot Rod, listed for $15,000 in Ferndale, Michigan. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 440 engine bored and stroked to a 502, fuel injection, BM shifter, Mustang 2 front end, fiberglass body, 4 9-inch rear end, new distributor and wires, disc front brakes, rack and pinion steering. Fuel injection is new and could use some cold start tuning. Needs some electrical work to clean things up. No title, I have lots of paperwork for it from the guy who built it. Price is firm. Possible trade for a boat or a nice car. No projects, I have enough of those. Alright, that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons below so you'll be notified when future videos go live. If you're enjoying my content overall, please consider supporting me on Patreon. There's a link in the channel description below. By supporting me on Patreon, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every one of my videos ad-free 24 hours before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.